Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Jens Lehmann will be one of Arsenal greats. Don't come outside. They advise the club hierarchy. They advise Edu, Richard Garlick, and Arteta. Say make them go for Erling Haaland of Dortmund. Say this guy, na person will say if he come join Arsenal, if he propel us to the top, he will carry us go to where we deserve. So as this guy did now, if you go for Real Madrid, you know go really strengthen them. If you go for all those big clubs, you know go really strengthen them. So Mo could go for the guy. Say the guy if he can't reason now matter, can say okay, make I can't help you now. Propel on come for the top, but the problem is say this guy go accept to come for our side. If now you be Haaland, say Arsenal they come for you, say you go gree come. That's the problem because I don't see this guy coming down to Arsenal. I mean, what's it gonna be different between Dortmund and Arsenal? Dortmund still the go Champions League, they still get mouth sharp for Germany there compared to Arsenal the way they do for England. So I don't think say this guy go come. But what I think say we go for Haaland, as Haaland will come join Arsenal the way Arsenal be now. At the same time, back on the talk, say as Arsenal team set up then I say the players they very young, and as they young, say they no fit carry the club go the promised land because of their young age. Even though people they talk say young shall grow, say the future is golden, say nobody knows tomorrow. But from what we they see, say they confident say this crop of players they go fit play very well tomorrow. Say tomorrow they go fit deliver EPL or maybe they go deliver Champions League or deliver Premier League. She una fit beat una chest now talk say this our crop of players fit do am. So now wetin I dey ask una because if everybody dey talk say you no see them moving the club forward. She una dey see them moving the club forward. My hear una thoughts for the comment section. But at the same time, Michael Thomas will be one of our greats. Don't come outside the talk. Say the way Lacazette play against that Crystal Palace, I almost say the guy really play very well. Say go like make them start Lacazette on Friday against Aston Villa, make him keep the momentum. Say see the way they play, see the way they ginger the players, even the fans when they first enter, let them say, what did they saw? Man, let me know that voice. Now one hear that voice. No those kind of level now. Let the guy get that momentum, and because the guy they very hungry for playing time. I think they for Benjamin, you know. Very happy you get you see the boss in brain, they make one go mad. So that's why he can enter. The guy make sure say score, and he gonna thank God say he score at the end of the day. So make sure say we start this guy. And myself, I really wait Baba talk. I support him, so I don't know what to now feel. She made them put Lacazette inside the match, then put Aubameyang for Benjamin, or make Arteta restructure that in 4-2-3-1. Maybe go put Alba for flank, come put Laka for 9. Then Smith Rowe, Odegaard, and Saka go there for their back. You get. They make them carry. Oh my God, that's go be. If them put Aubameyang for flank now, that means one of Smith Rowe and Odegaard will be sacrificed. Unless they go come play maybe Odegaard and Partey the way they did play against Crystal Palace. Odegaard and Partey go play for that defensive midfield. Then Aubameyang, Smith Rowe, and Saka go play at the back of Lacazette. I be on a feel now. Maybe that one will make sense. And that people make them bench people because you see that Crystal Palace match they play Saka out of position. They think gonna make the guy not really they functional, not really they productive, not really see the guy for the match. That people make them put out with Benjamin, that guy not there for first 11, that guy on second 11. So they know they bring out and make them know they change winning team. Now what they bust Arteta, now what they kill Arteta with that. This great team maybe everybody don't understand so the first 11 with this. Go carry people they draft them inside the match to scatter the mix. Come put Saka out of position. The guy no come play very well. Carry Odegaard play him out of position. That's very bad. But at the same time, Galatasaray they wait for Arsenal. So make them talk well now. Make them talk on time for this El Neni issue. They don't talk say they won't sign El Neni. But Arsenal never respond to them. And you know say El Neni himself get 8 months left for him contract. So by January, whether Arsenal talk or Arsenal no talk, El Neni go dey eligible to reason pre-contract with other clubs, you get, unless maybe Arsenal give them maybe 1 or 2 years extension, but they no give them when they recoup some money from your hand now. After all, January, they go represent Egypt for AFCON. So they don't sell them, they sell them. I don't understand what this so. Our familiar setting, they call they ask Mikel Arteta say how far Saka now say I don't get physio's report. So but back when they let them know say the guy they don't get a report and the guy don't do okay, they don't clear him. Say by Friday, in they eligible to play against Aston Villa. So now Arteta hand the con day whether he go start the guy on Friday. I be whether he go put him with Benjamin, come bring him in later. So now Arteta go decide. But say for Saka health, they don't already clear up, say you are fit to go, you can go and play against Aston Villa, not to the sub. Now just minor injury, even though that day it pain you well, but now it don't go. On my familiar setting, when they call they ask Thierry Henry, and at the same time they call they ask Michael Ricard and Jamie Carragher. They call they ask them, say, do Arsenal the place? Where they see Arsenal ending this season? Whether Arsenal will enter like Europe, maybe Europa League. So Carragher and Michael Ricard, they don't waste time. They don't talk yes. Now only Henry can't talk say no. Everybody gonna look and say yeah, you will be the election. They say no. What is up that? So I can't talk say almost they don't enter Europa League. Now she not the way they play like this when they see. I've been another Arsenal and they talk about. She been at this Arsenal what they see so. She don't enter now. She don't be say maybe they wish them bad or anything, but with the way them they play and she no trust them, so they don't enter. Make her put the question to herself. She wanna see Arsenal ending like maybe top 6 for this season, like going to Europe. She wanna see them. What you wanna feel? Because for me, I know they judge them, say they don't play maybe first 7 matches or first 8 matches. Don't be so all the whole season go be now. You see all this man you way they flop. So this season as well everybody go end the season. You go a time go come and be say you want they play very well now. You know if you just they flop all through the season, not possible now. So me I give them chance, even though other people don't talk say Arsenal are the outsider. I think that Jamie Carragher talked that thing before. Say Arsenal are outsider to enter for top 4. Say it will shock you, people no go believe. And me say I buy that sentiment, I buy that idea. So Arsenal they like this now. Top 6 is sure for them. Me I just get that belief. Say season still far now. Say like 20 something matches to play. So what's the sup now? Why Henry when he talk say I know say Henry himself they support Daniel Egg. So he go to pray make things they scatter for Arsenal. Make it scatter so that people will reason Daniel Egg so that Kroenke go they forced to sell, because if things they go well for Arsenal, nobody will the reason say make them sell them to Daniel Egg again, and himself no go like that one. He want make Daniel Egg take over. That's why for him mind, inside him mind, he go they wish us small bad. I don't know that the reason them, the why they reason them. On my surprise, Arsenal fans when they call the club hierarchy, say make them give Wilshere contracts now. See this is the way the guy they train like mafia, the guy they play very well. For training, the guy they dazzle, you get the guy they score goals, they give assists, they do things now. See make them give this guy a contract, even if not 6 months, even if not 1 year, give this guy a contract, make try out for that midfield. Maybe all this one way Sambi they do, all those rubbish. They give this guy contracts. I don't know that I buy into this idea where some other fans they talk. See me then give Wilshere a contract, no see waiting go fit perform for the field of play. What you not think now? Newcastle don't come outside, they follow Arsenal, they fight for Dominic Calvert-Lewin. They don't put the guy for the top of their list of strikers because they won't buy Mauro Icardi and they won't come buy this guy. They see they go for Oli Watkins, though I never know who they won't buy Gong, but they won't buy striker. So now don't be 2 people with the reason this guy, and you say Newcastle get money past us now. So if not buy money, this guy will go Newcastle, no doubt. But if not buy, say normal I won't play, get based on now, say which team better for me. The guy even gets sense to go come Arsenal, because presently Arsenal crop of players they better than Newcastle, and even if Newcastle will compete for honours now in the future, now in 3 years time, now in 4 years time, nobody say nah, because all the players we then get, they guys flush them now because their coach self Steve Bruce. That one don't resign. They don't get mutual contract dissolution, so he don't find square root. So I never know with their new manager. But I still stand now. Now our 2 they go for this Dominic, and I never know as it will be. At the same time, Kevin Campbell said don't come outside the chook mouth for the matter between Arsenal and Crystal Palace. So Baba can talk say that international break, see now one of the things will affect our gameplay. See the thing stop our momentum. You get before the international break we were doing fine. You get all of a sudden after go that international break come back. So we come dey very weak, come dey very sloppy and tired. You get that's why for that match against Crystal Palace, so we don't feel run very well. Crystal Palace will run up and down. We don't tire. They can't take advantage of us. Say thank God for Lacazette we enter. Come post net, come help us equalize. If not, they for knock also. Inter Milan sef don come outside talk say dem dey interested in taking Luka Jovic from Real Madrid on loan. You get, but I never know how this one go work. You know say dem they don't lose Lukaku and they never really replace am, so that's why they reason another striker. You get, but I never know whether Real Madrid go accept them say okay make I come carry this guy, and whether the guy go leave us come go for this guy. So I never really know how to go solve, but I go hope say this guy go come join us. If he no join us, make Dominic come join us. Now wetin me I dey pray for. But Real Madrid don't be say anybody wey want am, make na bring cash. But whether Real Madrid sef go dey interested in a loan offer, and whether they go dey interested in outright cash, because them sef won't buy Mbappe, even though Mbappe go come at the end of the summer for free. We'll never know whether they go still offer money to PSG to collect Mbappe for January. But I don't think say that one go happen, because if dem collect Mbappe for January, Mbappe no go fit play Champions League for dem because he don already play am for PSG, so he no go dey eligible. But that one go be one of the reasons wey go make dem say, okay, no wait at the end of the summer. Otherwise, maybe dem just wan use Mbappe come collect EPL, La Liga. So I never know as it will be. Everything na January. I'm going to update you now as news dey come. So my dear football lovers, na here we come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come give you fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon waiting there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop out. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you.